Communication, from Latin commūnicāre, meaning to share, is the purposeful activity of information exchange between two or more participants in order to convey or receive the intended meanings through a shared system of signs and semiotic rules. The basic mechanism of communication is, the ideas thoughts of the sender is encoded and transmitted to the receiver through a medium wherein the receiver receives the message and decoded it. To understand the message of the sender, communication takes place inside and between three main subject categories: human beings, living organisms in general, and communication-enabled devices, for example sensor networks and control systems. Communication in living organisms, studied in the field of biosemiotics, often occurs through visual, auditory, or biochemical means. Human communication is unique for its extensive use of language. Communication has three main components, which are visual communication, vocal communication, and verbal communication. Nonverbal communication describes the process of conveying meaning in the form of nonword messages. Examples of nonverbal communication include haptic communication, chronemic communication, gestures, body language, facial expression, eye contact, and how one dresses. Speech also contains nonverbal elements known as paralanguage, e.g. rhythm, intonation, tempo, and stress. Research has shown that up to 55% of human communication may occur through nonverbal facial expressions, and a further 38% through paralanguage. Likewise, written texts include nonverbal elements such as handwriting style, spatial arrangement of words, and the use of emoticons to convey emotion. Some of the reasons for nonverbal communication are to complement and illustrate, to reinforce and emphasize, to replace and substitute, to control and regulate, to contradict. The nonverbal communication contributes more percent in human communication since they supplement the ideas thoughts of the sender and also helps the receiver to decode it properly.